Welcome back to our podcast. We're talking about our packing process step by step. Great packing is a system, not a scramble. And here's how to make it feel effortless for you. Step 1, pre-move assessment. Your relocation specialist reviews your home, special items, timing, and access. We flag anything that may need crating, climate buffering, or special handling. Step 2, inventory creation. We build a room-by-room inventory with descriptions and condition notes that align with Spanish import requirements. Step 3, professional packing day. Our crew arrives with expert-compliant materials, heavy-duty cartons, furniture pads, moisture barrier wraps, anti-static protection for electronics, and separators for glass and china. Fragile or irregular pieces are prepped for crating. And step 4, labeling and documentation. Every box gets a content label, destination room, and inventory reference. This helps both customs and your unpacking day in Spain. Step 5, final walkthrough and load prep. We confirm nothing is missed. Then stage goods for container loading with weight description and stability in mind for sea freight. If you need storage before sailing or on arrival, we arrange secure facilities. Want to see options side by side or book a date? Visit our website to get a free quote or give us a call, 844-651-7050.